almost to the top. Let's keep going. So why did I bring you all out here to the top of a mountain in Tennessee? Nowhere near the ocean. Well, I brought you here because I'm here to tell you why all of this is connected to the ocean. Me and you are connected to the ocean. I'm here to tell you why people like me and you should care about the ocean and why the ocean matters. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm all things marine, and my channel is about the ocean and all of the life in it. I make daily fact videos on animals that live in the ocean and why they are so interesting. I'm an aspiring marine biologist who is currently in school for marine biology. If you love marine biology or the ocean, or you want to learn more about the ocean's life, click that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything ocean related. In addition to this, smash that like button on this video and go ahead and share this video with all your friends and family so they can know too why the ocean matters as much as it does. But enough about me. Let's get into the video, shall we? See all this beautiful green scenery behind me? All of that, including me, is connected to the ocean. Some of you might be asking, how is all of this green scenery connected to the ocean? Right now I'm in Tennessee. I'm in a place far away from the ocean, several hundred miles from the ocean. But how can something so far inland rely on the ocean? 50% of the Earth's oxygen is produced by the ocean. Therefore, if we didn't have the ocean, we wouldn't have half the oxygen we have today. For one, the ocean helps regulate our climate, and without it, weather would be pretty extreme in several places around the globe. Another thing is that more than 1 billion people rely on the ocean for food, and more than half of all pharmaceutical drugs are found from the ocean, from substances in the ocean, from animals in the ocean. Things that me and you are familiar with, like painkillers or even cancer-fighting agents. Things like that can be retrieved from the ocean. 90% of the world's trade is via the ocean, which also means that there are millions upon millions of jobs that are related to the ocean. All this that you see right here is a fraction of the planet. 72% of the Earth's surface is salt water, which means that we live on only less than 1/3 of our planet. But let's talk now about what lives in the ocean. Scientists declare there are over 300,000 different species of animals and plants that live in the ocean. And even then, scientists also believe that we've only discovered 1/3 of those species that live in the ocean. But as for the species that we do know about, we need to take better care of them and the ocean as a whole. With species like great white sharks, hawksbill turtles, and many other organisms that live in the ocean, they are facing extinction, and something needs to be done about it. How can you guys help the ocean sitting at home? I have a video on that actually. I'll put it right here. So that is why I've taken you guys out in the nature of Tennessee, in a place where there is no salt water anywhere within the state. I've taken you guys here to show you how this place and every other place on the planet and every person on the planet, including you and me, is connected to the ocean. The ocean matters a lot more than you might think it does. Click the link in the description to go to a video where I've outlined 5 ways that you can help the ocean from simply sitting at home. In addition to that, thank you all for watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below.